Alright, happy Saturday, everybody. So a real quick overdue update. Should have already been built, but like me, and procrastinate way too much. But anyway, it's an update on Cliff's motorcycle group build for 2022. I made some headway. So, yep. Get some hoses and all the hoses and everything run through here. Yeah. Yeah, these hoses are something else. And got the front section done up. Most of it. Yeah. Weird thing is, I need to look a little harder in there, but they got these two hoses that go up over that radiator. Doesn't show it in instruction at all. It shows it. Yeah, it just goes through there somewhere. Up over. I don't know. I really don't see it, but I'm guessing I'll find it when I get back to it. So I did all this and everything was painted, more or less. Everything's been painted. I am, for some reason, I swear I've got gremlins in my house. Well, get this all apart. My rear tail light section has run off somewhere. And not really terrible, but my oil filter also has grown legs. But I do have at least, it is coming together. So I'm getting there. Got my glass and everything. My side pieces are all painted, of course. Yeah, that's all together. It fell apart, but I just laid it all together. Anyway, I'm sure I'll find it when I need to really finish this. But yep, figure I'd get this out right quick. And there you go, Cliff. Pretty good update. I'm hoping to have her done for the end of the year. Really am. But we will see. Till then, everybody, take care. Be careful. Model on if you can. Get some bench time this weekend. It's my last day for a little bit till Thursday. Got 4 day lights and a week off, so I'm hoping to get this one knocked the rest of the way out. Yep. Yeah, do a little Declan. So, all right, y'all. Talk to y'all later.